my name is Kelly Miller. I'm the owner of Integrity HVAC Services. We do heating, ventilation, air conditioning, repair, and service. And we've been at Wearspace for 3 months now. We faced some challenges with working out of our home. We had a P.O. box and we needed some large equipment delivered. And unfortunately, a lot of the large manufacturers could not deliver to a home address. And so we needed an address like this that had drive-up dock doors. There's a lot of value here at Wearspace. The shared amenities like the dock doors and the mailboxes, the conference rooms here at Wearspace are excellent. There's a place to get coffee and tea. One of the best parts of being here is having a manager on site who can sign for our deliveries and be here when we get a shipment at all odd hours of the day. Now that we're at Wearspace, our potential is greater. I think that we can get bigger, both in terms of projects that we can take on, and also I think that it's a place where we can grow employees as well.